Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. Well, I'm reconditioning this 1999 Dyna, and when we recondition a motor, especially doing the top end, we like to include dropping the oil pan so we can clean it out and make sure that any of its debris from the motor that needed to be fixed or some of the old oil sludge can be replaced or taken out of the oil pan. So I was thinking, winter is going to come up eventually, and you guys are always looking at something to do with your motorcycle to help it live longer. Well, dropping an oil pan on a Dyna really isn't that hard of a job. It's just 10 Allen 3/16 Allen screws. And you'll need 3 tools, a little short, little nubby Allen, a straight, and a ball Allen. Now, you might be saying, Doc, why are you using the straight if you got a ball Allen? It's because a ball Allen really isn't as strong as a straight, and this can pop and break real easily. I need this for 2 places on the Dyna to get around the frame to get the Allen out. And one of the areas I can't get the ball Allen in, so you got to use little by little getting one of the Allens out with that. Follow your manual because there is a pattern in taking it off and putting it back on, okay? So this is the tool you'll need. You might want to also, if you have an old spare rear view mirror, it's really nice to have underneath so you can find where those 10 Allens are while you're going at it. But once you get it out, here is the pan. Here's the baffle. This is for you guys that love doing wheelies and all the oil goes to the back where we want it to be picked up by the oil pump, so it keeps the oil in it separately. So you take this out, it's plastic, it's fine, and then you clean really, really well. And here's the point I want to show you. I'm not done cleaning this thing. Here's the drain, and here's a little cavity over here that holds a nice little pocket of sludge, and below the plug also sludge, and in every corner I found it. Oh, if you're seeing these little shiny spots, well, that's from this rubbing against it, plastic against aluminum. It doesn't hurt it, but it's making its mark. But you'll also probably see, a lot of you guys are very observant, aha! Yeah, I flipped this over. This guy really liked to run rough and went over a few things, and I've got a crack. So I'm going to have to address this and possibly repair or replace this pan. Something we wouldn't have known if we didn't take the oil pan out. It's something for you that you can do with a manual, a few tools. You can drop the 10 screws, bring it down, clean it out. It really gives your bike a fresh start when you're changing oil because now you've got clean oil and no sludge down there to mix with it. Just a little tech tip, maybe a little project coming up later on in the year. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.